I'm Tracey from the RIU Ocho Rios. Alright, I'm just showing some of the display decoration like what to get into your room. Then this is a basket.
Like the basket.
You like
Yes.
the basket?
Yeah. And that one is the, oh, that's cute. What's that?
This is a snail.
A snail. Nice.
Yes. And this one is the elephant.
Hey, cute little elephant. Yeah, yeah,
If you
yeah.
come around here,
Alright.
you're gonna
So the
see-
swan, we know this one. You can't beat
Yes,
the
this
swan.
is
This.
one like the romantic one.
Yes, for the
They're going
couples.
to get married couples.
Alright.
Yes, birthday
Okay.
couple celebrating.
Yeah.
This is something like something beautiful like this. When I come
Okay.
here, they said, wow.
Of course. I'm saying wow already.
That's a wow.
That's a wow.
So I'm just putting a little petal, as
Uh-huh.
you know, call it shoes maker.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Shoes block, yeah. Right.
So
And you just drop it
just
inside
drop it
here.
inside
This is
here.
real nice.
This is a couple
Yeah.
kissing
That's a
one.
heart. Ah,
Yes.
sweet, sweet.
Yes.
And this one is what? The one that beat me.
This one is a snake.
A snake.
Yes.
Alright. And finally.
This is a puppy.
A puppy?
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm
puppy.
gonna make a bull one show you.
Okay.
After,
Alright.
right?
Good.